everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make stickers at home. Now if you guys didn't know, I am 100% self-taught in everything for my small business, this included. So this is what I found worked best for me when making stickers at home. I'm sure that there are many other ways to make stickers, so if you guys have any tips, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm always open to learning from other people. Also, I do use a Cricut Explorer to make my stickers, so this video is pretty much going to be revolved around a Cricut Explorer. At the end, I'll give you guys a list of equipment and material that I use to make my stickers. So let's get started with the video. First, you'll need to decide what you want your sticker to look like. You could design it yourself, but what I like doing is actually going on Etsy and just searching up Halloween SVGs and buying it from other small businesses for commercial purposes. Like for example, there's just a bunch of Halloween SVGs that you could buy on here and print it out yourself. That's what I like doing, but if you want to design it yourself, that's also an option. So the first thing you're going to do is open up Cricut Design Space and then click New Project to start a new project. Once that's open, you're going to hit Upload on the left side of the menu to upload your design. Proceed to find the file on your computer and upload it. When uploading, you're going to be asked to select an image type. Always select a complex image for the best quality. You'll then be asked to select Upload type. For stickers, we choose Print then Cut image. This is because we are first printing the sticker, then cutting it out. Now we can finally add our uploaded image to our canvas. Here is me just quickly uploading my second design to the canvas. Just to note that you can skip the step if you've already designed your sticker with a background or a border when you're creating it yourself. I personally didn't, so I find the easiest way to add a background or a border is in the Cricut Design Space, but if you already have one, then you can totally skip the step. It is optional. I didn't design my sticker with a background, so I'm going to add one in Design Space. You can easily add a background or a white border to your design. How I do this is click your design, then up at the top, click Offset. You can adjust the distance of the borders to your liking, but you can see that it's just outlined in the image. I'm happy with the distance of this background, so I'm going to hit Apply. You can see now my image has a black background. I'm going to change this black background to orange since this is a fall theme sticker. I am now happy with this sticker. So the last step is to select both your image and the background that you just created, and then go down to the right hand side and select Flatten. Doing this combines both your background and the image, so now they are stuck together as one. Now it is time to lay out our designs to be printed. Since my sticker paper is 8.5 by 11 inches, I want to make sure my designs fit within that range. So I will use the shape tool on the left hand side to create a shape with that size. Then I'll resize and place my designs onto the square. You can always choose how big or small you want your stickers to be as long as they fit within the range. If it's too big, then Cricut will warn me to make it smaller. Once that is done, highlight your designs, then click Attach. This just ensures when you print, it will print accordingly to how you laid it out. After that, at the top right, click Make It, which will then take you to a print preview. Review your work and then click Continue. So now we're ready to print our stickers, so first load your sticker paper into your printer. After that, go back into Design Space and click Send to Printer. In Print Setup, always check off Use System Dialog because this will allow you to choose your own print settings based on your computer. All computers will have different types of settings, but essentially what you want is to select the best option for color printing. In my case, I choose Color Fine, and the paper type that I pick is photo glossy paper. I highly recommend choosing a photo type paper because when I tried printing on auto, I definitely noticed a difference between the quality of the print. After that, click Print to print your stickers. Then wait for your stickers to finish printing. Once the stickers are printed, you can then choose to laminate them. Laminating them will make them more durable and offer a glossier finish. It's up to you if you want to or not. To do this, I will take a laminating sheet and measure and cut just before the black lines on the sticker sheet. I don't want to cover the lines with anything because that is what the Cricut uses to know where to cut. The end result should look something like this, where the laminating sheet covers the stickers but not the black lines. I then will take a flat scraper and manually put the laminating sheets onto my stickers. This took quite a lot of practice for me to do and not get any air bubbles, so just keep practicing and eventually you'll get it. Once your stickers are printed, line it up on the Cricut mat on the top left side. Since my Cricut mat is old, I'm just taping the sticker paper down to the mat because during the cut it will probably fall off. If your Cricut mat is relatively new or sticky enough, then you don't have to do this step. Next, we have to set our base material for cutting. So for die cut laminated stickers, I will choose glitter cardstock, and I found that this setting always gave me the best results. After setting your base material, you're going to slide your Cricut mat into the Cricut. At the same time, click the blinking arrow button on your Cricut. Doing so will load the Cricut with your mat. Once it's loaded, the C next to the arrow will start blinking. Once it starts blinking, click it to start the cut. The Cricut will then start the scan and cut. Once the cut is done, click the arrow again to deload your mat. You should then be able to peel off the sticker. And there you have it, you have a die cut sticker. Okay, so now I'm going to go through all of the equipment and materials that I use to make my stickers. I will try to make this part short, so I will go through my equipment first. The printer that I use is the HP 6005. It is an inkjet printer. It is pretty cheap to start off with. I didn't know if I actually wanted to sell stickers versus clothing, so I started off with something cheaper. It does really well with stickers and pictures. If you're looking for like budget-friendly inkjet printer, I'd highly recommend this one. I still use it like up till today. I find that you just have to pick the right print settings in order to get what you want. And for me, that is like always picking a photo setting. The quality is always top notch, so I highly recommend this printer. As you guys know, I do use the Cricut Explorer, so that is probably the cheapest one that you can buy at this moment. I don't use the Cricut Maker, I don't use any of the new versions. For me, it works well because I am not a 100% sticker shop. I actually sell stickers more so on the side, or I give them as freebies, so I don't need to make stickers at such a high volume. So if you're something like that, or if you're just like on a budget, I'd recommend just buying the Explorer. I don't have any experience with the Silhouette, but I hear good things about that too. Okay, so on to materials. My sticker paper, I don't have the packaging, but it looks like this. It is off of Amazon. It gives a matte finish, but I always laminate my sticker so it ends up being glossy. I think it's like the koala sticker papers. I also use, to laminate my stickers, I use just the Avery self-adhesive laminating sheets. I also buy these off of Amazon. You could use laminating machine, but for me it wasn't really necessary because I don't do stickers as my main source, so I just laminated it myself. To put the laminating sheets onto the sticker paper, I use this Cricut scraper, like flat scraper. But yeah, that is pretty much all. Making stickers is actually pretty simple, and if you want to kind of start a small business but you don't exactly want to invest fully in like clothing or something, you could always try doing stickers first or like pictures, because this whole investment up front was definitely under like $500 at least. So I think that's it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it. Also, let me know in the comments what videos you guys want to see from me. I'm kind of in like a creator block, so I really would appreciate some suggestions on what you guys want. Let me know if you like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I really, really appreciate you guys. See you next time.